Join me for this 10-minute beginner-friendly mini trampoline workout. We're going to incorporate our 4 basic walking moves. Before we get started, be sure to hit that subscribe bell so that you never miss a video, and leave me a comment if you enjoy these videos. Let's get right into it. I'll meet you back here. Let's go. We're going to begin in our gentle walk. So walking in place, I love to incorporate these 4 basic moves, whether we're bouncing on the trampoline or if we're walking in home. Just start to get your heart rate up. Just 10 minutes here, you are going to get such a great workout and have a ton of fun. I've found that trampoline workouts burn as many calories as a walking or even a jogging workout for me. You know, we're all different. We all have different experiences, but for me, that's been my experience, and it's just a blast. You know, you get that endorphin rush, that happy hormone surging through your body. Just have a great time with this, and I am so glad you decided to hit play and follow along. So beginner friendly, for me, that means we're not going to be leaving the trampoline. Our feet are going to stay on the trampoline throughout this whole workout. So one foot or the other, right? We're not going to be bouncing or jumping off of it. So I love to keep these very low impact and accessible for all body types and all stages or levels of your wellness journey. And if we've not met yet, hi there, I'm Emily. I am a registered nurse, a yoga teacher, a passionate women's health advocate. I help women over 50 find more balance within their bodies. If you would like to learn a little bit more about what I do and who I do it for, visit my website, emilydaugherty.com. Nice job. By now, maybe your heart rate's already up. Let's get the arms involved a little bit. Just give me some circles here. Check in with your space. Big or small arm circles. Feel what feels good. Keep moving the legs. For 3, 2, and 1. Let's reverse those circles if you're ready for that. I always tell people, you know, go at your own pace. And we're of course not judging your body against mine. Right? We honor ourselves where we are with self-compassion and self-care. And when you work out, just like this, you are practicing that self-care. So great for you. Thanks for being here and allowing me into your wellness world. What an honor. Give me one more big circle here and shake it out, let it go. Go back to that walk. Let's activate the backside muscles a bit more. We're gonna widen our stance. Nice, and then just see what that does. Maybe get the knees up a little higher, belly button draws in towards the spine. Core is engaged, back body's engaged. And definitely feel that in my hips today. Those muscles of independence is what I call them. So backside muscles, hips, thighs, glutes, back end. And keep them strong and healthy so we can be mobile and active throughout our whole day. So we can easily get up from the floor to a standing position. You know, that's very important, especially as we age. Go ahead and bring the feet back together. Nice. You might have a wall, or if you have a bar, my Becan trampoline does come with a bar. I chose not to have it on today, but we're gonna play with a little bit of balance. So start with a knee lift and a knee lift. Nice job. Just take it at your own pace, no rush here. We're offsetting our balance, especially when we are on one leg, especially on the trampoline. So super great for balance. A little bug hit me in the face there. Nice, give me a little tap. Tap the knee, nice spinal rotation. I'm outside today practicing in my beautiful backyard. It's gonna be up to 90 degrees. So Charlie, my rescue, is inside in the air conditioning. A little too hot for him today. Give me 3, 2, 1. Walk it out. Always come back to this home base, walk in place. Nice. So good for you. Staying active, healthy, and strong. Right? And all seasons of life. I kind of mentioned earlier, I specifically love helping women over 50 just feel their best in their own body and take back control of what's truly theirs, right? That's your health, right? Your health and well-being. If you don't have those 2 things, you know, it's really hard to be present in your life and stay most active with your family and your friends. So we really value self-care, self-compassion in my community. And I'm so glad that that's a priority for you today. So really making a big impact in your life and inspiring others around you to do the same. right? Go ahead and give me some kicks next. Again, use that wall or that bar if you need that support. Just alternating one leg and then the other. These workouts go by so fast. Just have a blast making these videos and connecting with folks all over the world. You know, I'd love to hear where you are working out with me from. Here, I'm here in my small town of West Virginia in the US. Quiet little mountain town. There, we love it here. We have a garden, a greenhouse. You know, doing the things to stay healthy and active. Here we are for 3, 2, 1. Walk in place. Nice job. Let's move those arms a bit more. Fingers to the shoulders. Reach up, down, out to the side. Big stretch and back in. Nice. Maybe get those feet a little higher. Check in with your breath. You know, you want to go at a pace that works for you. Maybe you can say a 5 to 6 word sentence. That's perfect. If you get a little too winded, back out of it a little bit. Keep those arms going. We're here for 3, 2, 1. Nice. Give it a shake out. Let it go. All right, our final basic move, there's lots of other moves we can do on the trampoline, but a final one here, I'm gonna kind of step over to one side, and it's just a side step, just back and forth. If you're warm like I am, maybe sink the hips back a little bit, activate some deeper muscle here. You can slow this down if that feels better. Have a little fun, a little playtime here on the trampoline. I gotta tell you, yeah, it's hot. It's like close to 90 right now. And this trampoline, it gets warm under my feet. So oftentimes I go barefoot, but I had to wear shoes. I'm gonna leave a link to these shoes. I got them for like 18 bucks on Amazon. You gotta check them out. They're so nice. So yeah, check out the link below. Here we are for 3, 2, 1. It's almost like you're walking on air. So combined with the trampoline, it's like you're flying, right? Go ahead and walk in place here. Well done, my friends. So good. Check in with that breath. Take your feet wide. Backside muscles turned on here. All right, give me a kick back. So watch it, join me if you want to give it a try. We're gonna kick a heel back and then the other heel. Stay low in this shape. Great job. Fast or slow, you might be faster than me or a bit slower than me. Go at your own pace. Listen to your body, right? I always tell people, you know, I'm a guide here, but you're your best teacher. So please listen to your inner teacher. She or he has a lot to share with you and is very, very wise. We love to tune out our inner teacher, but really listen in. See what works for you right now. Offsetting that balance, I love it. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Return to your walk. I want to tell you a little bit about my trampoline. This is a Can mini trampoline. I'll share a link below. I got it on Amazon pretty cheap. And what I love about it is, first of all, it's super safe. Like I had mentioned before, it's got a nice bar where I can hold on to if I need to. And then it's got these bungee cords. Other trampolines I've had have had like metal springs, which for me, they were one, too loud, but also just a little bit unsafe. You know, if I stepped off the side, I could kind of get hurt with those. So this has been a game changer. I've tried trampoline workouts in the past and didn't like them because I had the wrong trampoline. So highly recommend you check this out, Can mini trampoline. Woo, my heart rate's up. I can feel my breath rate. Great job, guys. I know you're with it with me. And finish out here. Keep moving the body. Have some fun. Maybe you smile. I always tell people, you know, it's not required, but always encouraged. Get those knees up. Come into those knee lifts again. Knee lift, knee lift. Happy little bounce here. Have some fun. Maybe tapping opposite hand or even opposite elbow to that knee for even deeper rotation of your core. For 3, 2, 1. Walk in place. Nice. And then try this. Feet kind of come a little bit wider for a nice wide base of support. And then find a soft little bounce. Oh yeah. Arms do as they please. Your feet could leave the mat if you want them to. I'm gonna keep my feet on the mat today. It feels a little bit more stable for me. Maybe shift your hips a little. Yeah, hang out here with me, just about 10 more seconds. I love trampolining, rebounding. So good for our immune system, so good for our overall health, our lymphatic system, our cardiovascular system. You know, all the systems, even our mood improves after a nice little bounce. 3, 2, and 1. Walk in place. We'll finish up right here. Make it happen. You got this, and together we've got this. You are backed by a huge group of walkers all around the world that walk with me and you every day. So great to have you here. Great to be a part of your wellness journey. I do have a membership online. It's called Emily's Wellness Academy. I have a free and paid version, and I'd love for you to check it out. We really focus on our health, self-care, self-compassion. Our motto is your health is your wealth. And I take that to heart. You know, as an ER nurse, I've seen, you know, the tolls that can happen when we have that unmanaged health. You know, our physical and mental body can really get drained. And, you know, our focus is taking good care from the inside out. All right, my friend, go ahead and settle in here. We're gonna press the feet into the earth. Whew. Start to return back to that state of balance or homeostasis. I'll plant the hands down by the sides. Give me an angel breath. Sweep the arms high. And on your exhale, send the hands down by the sides. 2 more of those. Inhale, reach tall. Biggest breath you've taken all day. Exhale, let it go. And the last one, lots of love in. Breathe compassion and love for yourself and gratitude. And exhale, send the hands down, give it a shake and let it go. I am so proud of you. Be sure and do a couple more stretches to kind of rebalance your system. And I can leave a link to some new stretches for you in the comments below. I'm so glad to have you along here. Please be sure to subscribe to my channel, and I'll talk to you again very soon. Take good care.